Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and here I am with another program from Coding Byte website. So the next program is delDel. So let's see what it says. Given a string, if the sorry, uh, given a string, if the string del appears starting at index 1, return a string where the del has been deleted. That is, we have to return the string del where the string has been, means the del is, string del is there. We have to remove the del from the string, and you can see here with example that here a del bc is given there, and after running the program we are getting abc and del is removed from there. In the same way, a del hello, and after removing the del we are getting a hello, but where there is a de bc, it is returning the same as it is, as no del is there. So it is given that otherwise return the string unchanged. So here we are returning the string unchanged. So let's see how we can solve this. So here what I am doing is I am checking if the string length is more than equals to 4, so that a single number, that is we are starting to check from the index 1, and after that we have to check 3 numbers. So I am taking 4 numbers to check del, means 4 characters, and string dot substring, and in substring we will take the index, that is 1 to 4, that is the fourth till the fourth index, that will be before that, and dot equals del, sorry, I'll put it into double inverted commas, and if this happens, then we will return the string, sorry, caret 0 plus string substring of from 4, and else we will return the string as it is. So here what I am doing, first I am checking if the string that is inserted is more than equals to 4, the length of the string, and if that is so, then within the string there is a possibility that the del word is there, and after that I am checking that from index 1 to index 4 is there a word del, means I am getting the word with this substring, and after that I am checking if it is equals to del, and if it is so, then we are returning the character at 0 position in the string, and after that all the characters after the position 4, and otherwise we are returning the string unchanged. So let's see, I hope it is correct. Here you can see we have successfully passed all the tests that was given to our program. So with that said, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Take care, goodbye, and see you.